Ruto finally finds the person who will help him win back Mount Kenya votes ahead of the election. Ahead of the 2027 general election, President William Ruto has chosen Mwangi Kiunjuri, the MP for Laikipia East, as the essential individual to assist him regain declining support in the vote-rich Mount Kenya region. An important early in Ruto plan to stabilize his political base in Kiunjuri, an experienced politician currently serving his fourth term in parliament, Kiunjuri has a wealth of political experience and influence in the area, having been the agriculture minister under previous President Uhuru Kenyatta and a close friend of the late President Mwai Kibaki. EBK Online Updates News, subscribe.